Hi everyone, we will have the unboxing of a battery charger from TRONIC. This is a brand. Let's see a little bit about this. Charges up to 6 rechargeable batteries simultaneously. Here you can see what is described on the picture. We have the charging modes here. Rechargeable batteries defective or incorrectly inserted, reference function, discharge function. This is also good. Okay, battery charging and fully charged. Just rapid capacity test with LED display. Typical rechargeable batteries. And let's see also on the back. Okay, I would like to see the milliamp. Okay, here we have charge current 1000 milliamperes with 1 to 2 batteries, and 500 milliamperes with 3 to 4 batteries. It's quite good. Okay, let's just mix it. This is the charger and our manual. Yeah, that's in the box. So that's all in the box, and actually it's pretty much it. We don't have so much to read from that. Let's keep it aside. Now we have the manual. Okay, we have also German at least. This was bought in Poland, in Lidl supermarkets, and probably, I'm sure it has Polish, but also, as it says here, it's also a German, Austrian, and Swiss language. Let's see. Yes, it's also German. Instructions in English, though. Okay, German will work as well. Okay, so it's only in Polish, the first one. And then German. If you know how to use a battery charger, I think it will not be hard. That's the typical. Basically, you just need to charge and discharge. So here you can see some description of the functions and the display. Okay. There's a PDF online if you want to download on their site, of Lidl site, at www.lidl-service.com. Let's hope it will be in English as well, but for me the German is okay, so okay, let's see how the device now looks like. It has pretty good quality, I would say. Plastic is quite good. A little bit heavy, a little bit. Which is also good. Let's see the length of this. Oh, it's quite long as well. It's like 1.5 meters. Okay, and this is the device. You can see here the output. Okay. Made in Germany, in Bochum. It really feels very good. The plastic quality is not cheap at all. It's really good. It's heavy and I like it. And what else we have here? Descriptions about the batteries engraved on the plastic. Okay, for small batteries, for bigger ones. Okay, that's it. That was the battery charger from TRONIC. See you next time. Bye bye.